Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I just got the ATDAWN ATDWN 4-way brass fitting, 3/4 inch for hoses. Here's how it came, like this in the box. Says new on it. See, ATDAWN, ATDAWN it's called, 4-way brass hose adapter. That's the number for it. That's the box it comes in. That's what it looks like. So let's give this an open. It's not taped up or anything like that. Kind of came all with the box was all messed up when it got delivered anyway. So here's how it came, like this. So it looks like that. So the 4-way valve is like that. That's kind of what it looks like. All right. And then they also give you some tape, some plumber's tape. All right, Teflon tape, whatever. And then they also give you 4 of the hose gaskets, as well, O-rings, hose O-rings, whatever you want to call them, O-ring gasket, whatever. Hose O-rings, they also give you that as well. So that's pretty cool. That's just how it comes. That's the unboxing of it. I'm gonna get my ruler real quick. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go get my ruler and I'm gonna put it over. Oh, my ruler is actually right behind me. Never mind. So you can see exactly how big this is. So yeah, it comes with 4 of those. Let's put these back in the box so we don't get lost. That too. So this is how big it is. Right there. Okay? So I'm going to go up close so you can see how big it is. Okay? So I lined that up perfectly. And that's how big it is. All right, so it's what, about 6.5 inches, 6.5 inches big, about. So that's how big it is. So you have an idea of the spacing of how large it is and stuff like that. And then away from the wall, you have the holder for the pin right here. So there's a holder for the pin. So I don't even know what this is for. I think it's for the mop buckets. On the mop sinks, when you have them on the mop sink goes here. I'm pretty sure that's what it is from what I've seen at when I used to do commercial work. That's for the pin for the mop to hold it up, so this way it doesn't fall off the wall. Anyway, so that's kind of what it looks like, but it does have this pin on the back, so you can't just mount it to the wall. See, I was going to use these 3 holes and mount it to the wall, but if you do that, it's going to be all wobbly and it's going to be retarded. And this is going to, because it's not, see how it's beveled? This is not going to lay flat against anything, so it's not going to work. So I'm going to build some kind of contraption for it. I'll put a video of that up as well, of how I'm using it. You'll see that next, of how I'm going to use this and how I can use it efficiently in my backyard. I also want to try to paint it. You're not supposed to really be able to paint brass, I don't think. I don't think so, but I'm going to try to paint it because I'm trying to do a blue theme in my backyard. So I'm going to do a blue theme. So I'm going to want to try to paint this blue, you know, when I put it on. Is pretty much the plan. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that's the plan. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these nozzles out, tape this up, and then try to paint this blue and see what happens. And that's going to be the best of it. So yeah, that's about it. I'll tell you how far this is away. It's 1/4 of an inch. 1/4 of an inch? No, it's right there. See, it is almost 1/2 inch. Yeah, almost half inch away from about 1/2 inch away from the fitting is that. So just make sure if you're ordering this, you know where you're going to put it, or if you're going to be mounting it or something, what your plan is going to be, and you'll see my plan later on. All right, so that's about it. It feels pretty heavy duty. Look, see, these open up. I've seen these wear out after a while when you use them a lot in commercial. When you use these a lot, they wear out, which pretty much sucks. But let's see what happens. You know what I mean? I mean, it's made out of brass. Worst comes to worst, I'll just buy a new one, or I'll I'll add a shut off on the bottom of these. I'll add another shut off like I did before in other applications. If it was too much of a hassle to change it out or too expensive or whatever, change out the whole piece, I would just add shut offs to it and then use it that way to make it easier. So that's it. So that's it for the unboxing review of pretty much what you can expect to get out of it, and that's it. So that's it for Glen Velvet reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up other stuff to help other consumers out on purchasing stuff and spending their money. And that's about it. So everyone be safe. Have a good one. I'm out. Bye-bye.